Hey, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pepe update today, and we still have a technical target pending up to 17,246. We saw yesterday some stop losses being taken away, and I've given you that 12,000. We saw Pepe come into 12,000 all of a sudden after making it all the way up to 15,000. So there was a stop loss hunt, I believe, and there was a very quick long and short squeeze of 17 or 18% we're talking about. So this is known as a long and short squeeze when you see a high frequency doji. We've seen one with Pepe, we've seen one with Bonk as well. So if I show you Bonk, Bonk also did the very same thing where we had this high frequency doji right over here. So it was actually nothing more than taking out stop losses for the people who are bullish and the people who are also bearish. Now, here's the thing. Another reason you can say is that Bitcoin also was going down as well. So when Bitcoin was retracing to the downside, we saw a move down, and all of a sudden we saw this move down. But this is normal, okay, with Bitcoin. Why? The reason being is I just see Bitcoin breaking above a bull flag to go to $99,000. Right? Does that really sound good to your ears? Yes, Bitcoin to me personally is ready for $99,000. So you can see that you had rejection, goes down, had rejection, went down. We saw a move to the upside and it came down for the retest. So this is perfect. Okay, these are the things that you want to see: support and resistance getting broken up, and probably also going back to the upside. Now, one more thing is that hopefully down the road we're going to see Pepe continuing on with the push and come up to 17,000, and of course we don't want to come down to 12,189, because 12,189 is going to be the ultimate bad place for Pepe now. But you still have a flag. The flag takes you up to 17,000 hopefully, and that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.